Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall TurboTax from your computer, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall TurboTax from your computer, begin by closing the application if it's currently running. Navigate to your computer's control panel. To access the control panel, click on the Start menu. Select Control Panel from the list of options. Once the control panel opens, locate and click on Programs. In the Programs window, choose Programs and Features. Scroll through the list until you find TurboTax. Click on TurboTax to highlight it. Once highlighted, look for the option that says Uninstall at the top of the window. Click on the Uninstall button to initiate the uninstallation process. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm that you want to uninstall TurboTax. The uninstallation process will begin and may take a few moments to complete. Once finished, a message will typically confirm that the program has been successfully uninstalled. If prompted, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. After the restart, you can check to ensure that TurboTax has been completely removed by going back to the Programs and Features list. If TurboTax still appears, repeat the process until it is fully uninstalled. For additional cleanup, consider using a system cleaning tool to remove any leftover files associated with TurboTax. This will help free up space and ensure that your system is optimized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.